Welcome everyone. Firstly, a heartfelt thanks to each and everyone who joined our launch event on 1st of July, the Doctor's Day. The event was about Dr.iZaG's World, the gift we wanted to serve to all the doctors in the world. So firstly, a very warm and heartfelt thank you to all of you who joined and supported. Secondly, during the event, we faced some unfortunate glitches. Although we tried more than 3 times before the launch, everything was running perfect. But at the time of launch, we faced some glitches, resulting which more than 800%, as per our tool, more than 800% tried more than once to enter the link, but they couldn't join the video. Secondly, out of 272% who entered the YouTube, only 50, 52, 56 were able to see glitch free, and that too with least glitches. So solution to which is we are adding a playlist of videos right now for the tutorial. So there will be 5 videos now we are adding right now. So please go through it. Each videos will be nearly 2 to 5 minutes depending on the features and necessary time needed. So number 1 will be what is this portal. Second, login and registration. Third, Dr.iZaG's World, the page where the research happens. The fourth, second opinion. And fifth, knowledge world. So these are the 5 topics we will be covering in the next video. Although we know it was a little unfortunate that you guys spared your time, and when you tried to enter it was a glitch. But don't worry, actually everything happens for something good. No worries, we have a solution. That was not our last live. We are adding the videos now so that everyone who are left outwards can see the perfect version now. Okay, so no worries. And one more thing, on a positive note, it was very happy moment for us when we realized that more than 1000 people tried to join our live. So it was our first live event. Thanks a lot everyone. Stay tuned and follow the link so you can go to the playlist and watch this video. Thanks a lot.